back and I'm all set na maki-pool party for fun, for more fun in the sun and...
Shine, Pilipinas, shine.
Woo!
Shine, Speaking of more, alam niyo ito ha? Ito yung usong-usong ngayon na expression, yung pamor, di ba? For example, Daniel Pamor! Diba? Fans say Pamor, and now I think it's time for Kantahan ng Pamor. So without further ado, Liza.
On the ASAP stage, summer tayo.
With the ASAP Sessionistas!
Pamilya! Tirik na tirik ang sikat ng araw pero mas tumitigan ang summer dahil sa inyong lahat. Dito lang sa ASAP 20!
That's right, Gerald. And no heat can beat the love of the fans para sa kanilang idol na teen king na si Daniel Padilla! Dito pa rin po yan sa kanyang ASAP Fans Day. Okay pa ba kayo?
Yeah!
Eto, ready na ba kayong maglaro sa ating pool? Ayun, ang init kasi dito. Grabe! Ako, may question ako.
Anong question mo?
Sino dito ang gusto makaswimming date si Daniel Padilla? Ayun! Nung sinabi mo yan, lahat sila tatalo na agad dito sa swimming pool. Pero meron pa kayong baong pampalit.
Ay, grabe
Kahit wala.
naman yan. Grabe naman talaga. Kita nyo naman, ready sila sumali sa mga fun and games na mangyayari maya-maya lang.
Kaya naman, makibanding na kayo at hindi nyo dapat ma-miss dito sa ASAP Fans Day ni Daniel. Kaya maki-online party na kayo by logging on to www.asap.abs-cbn.com/chat.
Ganun talagang pagkakasal na.
And guys, please also don't forget to follow us on @ASAP Official on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Oy, grabe! Super hot dance number from your ASAP favorites. Talk about favorites. Nandito kami sa labas kasama ang mga paborito namin. Give it up for Katniel!
Yes, syempre, gusto ko munang batiin ang happy 25th anniversary sa Belo. Maraming salamat.
Alam niyo, Doktora.
O, diba? Tingnan niyo po sila to. Ang gwapo talaga ni Daniel dito. Pero aminin, mas astig si Daniel sa totoong buhay.
Uy, kinikilig si Madam Baby. Kinikilig.
Tama! Ito lang. Kasing taas ng araw ang energy natin dito, right, guys? Yes! Dito lang yan sa ASAP Fans Day ni Daniel dahil hindi pa rin sila makaget over sa kinanta ni Daniel kanina. At hanggang mamaya po yan, makikigame si Daniel with you guys.
Wait lang, may gustong sabihin si Teen King.
Alam ko, mahilit dito. Pero... Tama po yan. Kaya walang huuwi nang hindi nag-e-enjoy at hindi binabasa ni Robby.
Tama!
Pero ang masaya dito, alam niyo kung ano, hindi lang ako magpapasaya ngayong summer, kundi may iba pa akong kasama para pasayahin ang mga tao dito sa labas.
Totoo yan!
Yes! May Teen-tastic summer treat din kami for you guys. And with the X din, maki-party na with Gimme 5, Brace, Great, Joaquin, Sean, and Nash, plus the birthday girl, Alexa Ilacan. This is
Full Circle! Guys. Pamilya, kayo pa rin na yung Shine with us here on ASAP 20! Dahil on talaga mga pamilya, kaya oras na para magpasahan dito lang sa ASAP Fans Day!
Hey! Sobrang ramdam na ramdam talaga ang saya ng mga kapamilya natin for Daniel Padilla's Fans Day. Okay ba kayong lahat dyan? Woo! Nag-enjoy ba kayong lahat? Gusto niyo na ba makita ang Teen King at Queen?
Oy!
Nako, malapit niyo silang muling mapanood sa Primetime Bida with the remake of Pangako Sa'yo. So excited na ba kayo doon? Yeah!
Yes! Kanina nakita natin na nakibanding pa ang Kathniel sa fans nila during the fun and games. And syempre kasama natin yung winner right now. Kasama ko si Jessica! Alright, Jessica, anong feeling mo na nakalaro mo at nakasama mo si Daniel?
Masaya po! I love you, Daniel!
Kaya't eto na, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Here are your favorite teen royalties na magpapakilig sa inyong lahat, mga kapamilya. Make some noise for the hottest love team. Please give it up for Catherine Bernardo and
Daniel Padilla! Baby boy!
daisy. And in what month this clock never seemed so alive.
I can't keep up, and I can't back down. I've been losing so much time.
'Cause it's you and me, and all of the people with nothing to do, nothing to lose.
And it's you and me, and all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you.
All of the things that I wanna say just aren't coming out right.
I'm tripping on words, you got my head spinning. I don't know where to go from here.
'Cause it's you and me, and all of the people with nothing to do, nothing to prove. And it's you and me, and all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you.
Something about you now,
I can't quite figure out.
everything he does is beautiful.
Everything she does is right. 'Cause it's you and me, and all of the people with nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, and all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you.
Susunod na, back-to-back surprises from ASAP Studio Therese and R&B royalty JR sa pagbabalik ng ASAP 20!
Nothing to prove, and it's you and me, and all of the people, and I don't know why.
For the world, welcome back here on ASAP 20! Ang saya-saya talaga dito sa ASAP Fans Day. Nag-enjoy mo kayong lahat! Alam niyo dito, hindi mo na makakasamang idol mo. May free entrance ka pa sa swimming pool!
Totoo yan! Level up na nga talaga to kasi ang kasama mo sa out ngayon, nag-iisang Teen King, Daniel Padilla! Daniel, ano naman ang message mo sa lahat ng mga fans mo na pumunta today dito sa ating Fans Day?
DJP?
Oo, syempre, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat at sa pagsuporta niyo sa Fans Day ko. Thank you so much, guys. Kahit nainitan kayo, nag-i-enjoy kayo, maraming salamat. At mahal na mahal po namin kayo dito sa
Ayan, pero, Daniel, ito lang talaga kahilingan ko. Kailan ka ba magkakaroon ng dance production number?
Gusto niyo ba yun? Gusto niyo ba yun?
Oo.
Why don't we have it right here, right now?
Let's go! Let's do it!
Sige, next time. Next time, pag wala na ako.
Ayan, para naman sabayan mo ang ating Teen Queen sa Supa Dance.
Oo, magandang tandem. Cut
Okay,
on
sana,
Supa Dance.
okay sana yan, no?
And you know what? Talking about the Teen Queen, she is here to show you how it's done together with Kapamilya Teen Kids and Teen Superstars na mag-shine hindi lang sa kagitan, kundi pati sa sayawan with these throwback dance moves. Mga pamilya, let's ride the time machine and watch this. Here we go!
Lahat ng love mo ngayong summer, siguradong ibibigay namin. Love mo ang kantahan, makijamming sa ASAP Sessions. Love mo ang hatawan, magiinit ang dance floor with our super dancers, sexy girls, and hot models. At Summer Dance You, malalove mo rin ang buong cast ng Nathaniel. At concert pasabog ni karaoke queen Alex Gonzaga. Love mong makiparty? Invited ka sa triple birthday treat na karaoke king Luis Manzano, primetime princess Kim Chiu, and teen king Daniel Padilla. ASAP 20!